Well, I made it to Idaho in Twin Falls. Gonna meet Jeani and Christopher here. Look at that view, yeah. Idaho never disappoints. Wow. What's that? We're on Rock Creek Trail, Auger Falls, aka Twin Falls. We hit Tristan's and then climbed back up just a little ways to connect with this trail.
Picked up a hitchhiker.
What? Oh. Ah. You guys want me in front or?
Sure.
Or Jeani?
See how that track stand?
Booty cam.
Sweaty booty cam.
Sweat booty. Jeani Peter Pants. I pee my pants. Now I gotta do the quote. My teacher asked me what the capital of North Carolina was. I said, Washington, D.C. And she said, no, you're wrong. And I said, well, you got a lumpy butt. And she yelled at me and I pissed my pants. Ah, name that movie.
Right or left?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my God.
I'm tired looking at my phone. Ah. So we're gonna go that way. And then we turn left, or no, we turn right, or
so we're gonna
we're gonna turn right, and then okay,
and then back left.
Rock dodge. Oh, the tall grasses. Woo! There's a little hidden rock there. Oh, I love tall grass. It is my favorite. Oh, those things are mean. Ugh. No. Look like Venus. Fly traps. Feed me, Seymour. Feed me. That's what they remind me of. Take turns. Yeah. Evil flowers everywhere. Seriously have no idea how people used to ride without a dropper. It's insane. I've become so dependent on it.
I like this trail.
All right, so straight is the Price is Right.
Price is wrong, bitch.
Or it's just right here. So this goes up, it looks like just a little bit, and then we get to Acid Trail, which I'm assuming is probably along the mountain. Yeah, this is the Price is Wrong. The Price is Wrong! Name that movie.
Is that really The Price is Wrong?
No, it's The Price is Right. Okay. Ah. Fudge! Yeah! Oh my god. You're like, what the hell? Oh, there's bees. Lots of bees. Hopefully they don't sting. Are those bees? I can't look. Hopefully they're just like some sort of, oh my god. Fudge. Please don't sting me. Hopefully they could be like a, what am I trying to say, like a dragonfly, but those are orange. These right here, I don't know what the hell they are. I can't see, but oh. This might be acid trail. Oh, this is probably acid trail. Stopping. This should be acid trail. So this is acid trail. We ain't taking Keith's trail. Keith needs to come whack his bush. It's not over.
Oh, okay.
That was like half. It's not over. You do the jumper. Oh, yuck. It made it look like it was right here. What the frack? Tired of checking my phone. Oh, first waterfall is where our vehicles are. All right, acid trail continues. I do wish there was like trail signs right there when you have that. Like they're not marking acid trail. Ooh. Nice. Oh, really easy here. Oi! Mash those pedals. Oh. This is a fun trail. I don't know if I would signify it as black. There are portions. Oh, still on acid trail or whatever it's called. I already forgot the name of it. I had to change out the battery. Too easy of a gear. Sure. Watch, there'll be a hill right around the corner. I told you. Ooh. Some of that's really soft. These gloves stink. And back to the trailhead. Phew.
Gator 8 times.
Whoa, it just keeps going.
Hey, it's amazing the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist. But you have got me on your hit list.